Hi, welcome to this course. First of all, I would like to thank you for joining me in this course. In this course, you will learn how to build a creative and modern looking responsive website with HTML5, CSS3, jQuery and Bootstrap. I believe you have chosen the right course for learning web development skills. This course is designed to quickly cover as many aspects of modern web development. In this course, you will learn how to build a creative and modern looking responsive website with latest web development technologies like HTML5, CSS3, jQuery and Bootstrap from the very scratch. In this course, I'll start by teaching you basic web development skills and then I will take you to the advanced level. This course will really teach you the best practices in modern web development. To start the course, first we will set up the working environment for web development, and then I will show you how to create a wireframe for a website. Wireframing is one of the most valuable parts of any web design project. It can save tons of time by defining website architecture, functionality, and content prior to actually building a website. In this course, you will learn how to create a wireframe for a website. Once the wireframe is ready, then we will build basic structure of website. I'll start from very scratch and you will start learning very basic skills of web development. I will show you how to set up basic structure for a website using HTML5. You will learn basic of CSS3 and you will also learn basic of JavaScript and jQuery, so you can get an idea about how to start building a real-world website. Once you get basic idea about web development, then I will introduce you Bootstrap framework, because it is very important to understand Bootstrap framework before we start using it in our real-world project. I will teach you basic of Bootstrap framework, and more importantly, you will learn a lot about Bootstrap grid system, which will help you to build a responsive website which will look great on all the large, medium, small and extra small devices. After setting up basic structure for website, then we will start looking for best fonts, colors and icons. I will show you how to choose and add right fonts for your website. Choosing a right font for a website is very important so users can smoothly read the content of your website. You will learn about web colors and I will show you how to choose a right color scheme for a website. I will share some awesome tools which will help you to create color scheme for a website. And we will move forward, we will choose and add modern icons for our website. I will show you how to choose right icons for your website. After setting up all the basic requirements, then we will start building the real website from scratch. And we will build this real world creative and modern responsive website together, which I have named Solo. In this course, you will learn how to add cool preloader for a website. I will show you how to add full screen video background with parallax scrolling effect. You will learn how to apply cool animations to a website. I will teach you how to add animated hover effects using CSS3. You will learn how to add slider to your website using jQuery. I will show you how to design cool progress bars for your website. You will learn how to use CSS3 the best way to add cool animations on mouse over of your web elements. You will learn how to include tabs to your website. I will show you how to showcase your portfolio work the right way. You will learn how to add filter feature for your portfolio items. You will learn how to add image zoom effect with an overlay on top of portfolio item. I will teach you how to add image gallery feature to your website using jQuery. We will build this cool slider for customer testimonials. I will teach you how to build modern looking pricing tables with nice mouse over effect. And I will show you how to add counter up effect using jQuery to your website. We will build clients list with cool slider effect. And you will learn how to display your blog recent posts. Finally, we will build this nice looking contact section with Google Map. Once the web page is complete, Then I will teach you how to build a cool navigation bar like this. It will have scroll spy effect with smooth scrolling effect. After building that huge website, then we will start perfecting the responsive layout of solo website, so we can make sure that the solo website is going to look great on all the large, medium, small and extra small devices. We will make sure that the solo website is looking great on iPad, iPhone and other mobile devices. I will show you how to test the website on different responsive tools, so we can make sure that everything is okay for responsive design. We will also build cool mobile menu which will look great on mobile devices. I will teach you how to use Bootstrap grid system to make a responsive design, and you will learn all this step by step from scratch. This will be fully responsive website, which means this website will look great on all the smartphones, tablets and computers. I will teach you how you can make a website perfect for responsive design, so it will look great on all the screens. You will be amazed to see how easy it is to build a responsive website like this. Once the website is ready, then we will start optimizing the website. We will add some basic SEO and we will optimize website for better speed load. After optimizing website, we will do some cross-browser testing. We will run website across all the major browsers like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge and Opera. And I will teach you how to make a website compatible across all the major and latest browsers. And after that, finally we will be ready to make the solo website live on the internet. It will be a great fun building that amazing website, and you will really enjoy each building step and you will get